Hey everyone, Chelsea with the Champagne Agency here to talk today about telematics programs versus traditional insurance. So a lot of times people ask, which is better, telematics or traditional insurance? And the real answer is it really depends on the kind of driver you are and how you want to be evaluated. So let's start with traditional insurance. So traditional insurance is going to judge you on your age, your driving history, your credit, and your claims. So that places you into a risk category. The category is influenced not just by you, but by what's happening around you. So if there's a lot of accidents, traffic tickets, claims in the area, those are going to be factors in your premium and how you're grouped together in this risk group. Excuse me. So a lot of times we hear from clients, that doesn't really feel fair. I'm a safe driver. I don't get into accidents. I don't have any claims. And while that's completely fair and a valid feeling, telematics might be something you want to explore. The upside of the traditional insurance is the stability, right? Your rate isn't changing based on every little thing you do, but the downside is that it doesn't always reflect how you are as a driver. So talking about telematics is going to judge you on things that you're in full control of. So the speed that you're driving, hard braking, fast takeoffs, time of day that you're driving is something that they monitor as well, and then the amount of mileage that you're driving. So this is what it feels different to a lot of people. Instead of being grouped in with everyone else, you're being evaluated based on your driving habits and your driving habits alone. So if you're a careful, consistent driver, you follow the rules of the road, this could seem a lot more fair to you moving forward, with your premium. I personally always use telematics in my auto policies. One, I am a safe driver. I drive like I'm 86 years old, and I don't have any claims or tickets, and it's a very decent discount. I believe my policy personally, it saves me over $40 a month doing the telematics program. So just if anything, it saves you money, right? So a simple breakdown: traditional is a group-based risk, and then telematics is your individual behavior as a driver. So one says, how do we decide what works best for people? So when you're speaking with your agent at renewal, these are the questions that you want to ask yourself. Do you follow the rules of the road? What time are you driving? Are you a safe driver? Those are all things to be considered, where if you can check yes to all of those, telematics might be a good program for you, again, because you're following the rules, you're doing all the right things, and it's going to save you money. Now, for traditional, if you drive late at night, if you work odd shifts and you're driving, 12, 1, 2, 3 in the morning, if you drive a lot of miles, those things telematics might not be the program for you, but we can certainly explore other options as far as discounts to get your premium down and find the best deal for you. So yeah, always feel free to give us a phone call, have questions, especially at renewal time. Renewal is always the best time to get the most amount of discounts in there for you, to save you the most amount of money. Your agent will be happy to go over that with you and answer any questions. And all right, hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.